Hey, there you are. It's time for unboxings. Today we're doing the Boxy Charm and the Ipsy Glam bag. So let's start with a few fakes first. Every month I tell you I paid about X amount of dollars for it, and I never really know what I paid. I thought I need to look into this a little bit more and be more specific. The Boxy Charm, no, the Glam bag, regular Glam bag. This is what came out of my checking account, was $12.90. That included whatever taxes, any shipping they were going to charge. That's the bottom line of what I got for this. The Boxy Charm Luxe, I think this is the once every 3 months where they give you the bigger box with more products. It costs more, and this one for this month was $53.74. Now, I'm not saying that that's what you're going to pay. I think they charge maybe tax or shipping isn't the same for everybody, I'm thinking, but the tax might be different from one state to another. So the question is, the Boxy Charm, let me do the Boxy Charm first. The Boxy Charm is $53.74. You might as well say $54. So is this worth $54? I ask you. I do this every month. I go through this and I say, I don't know. Is this worth what I'm paying? And this is what I have here. Looks like some good products. Let's go through it real quick and see if we can't form an opinion. All right, the first one is the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, long wearing, $21 is the price. And the color, this is the color. It looks like a nude. Cool girl. It looks like a nude or maybe, oh, okay, yeah, I can wear this. Anybody can wear this. So I've never tried this liquefied matte long wearing lipstick. I like a long wearing lipstick. I don't like to keep reapplying. So this one is showing here on the card is $21, and I think that's probably about right. The next item is Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Elemis is a pretty good brand from what I've heard. This says on the card, it says this item sells for, well, the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $79. I went online and looked this up to see how much it would cost if I wanted to buy it online. It was $89. All right, if I can get an $89 item out of a box that I paid $54 for, it's a win. This is a win already. I haven't even looked at the rest of them, and it's a win already. Okay, the next one is CIT London Marbled Light. And this is an illuminating blusher. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $26. Let's take a quick, I had CIT London before, and I like it, really. Okay. That's a pretty color. I think that's a color most people can wear. There's a little mirror in the compact too, so that's nice. And what did I say that cost? $26. Okay. I did go online and I looked to see if I like to know if they're really telling me the truth or if they're giving me the business. So anyway, the next thing up is Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. And this is the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $20. I always like getting liner. Waterproof liquid eyeliner. I'm happy when I get an eyeliner. I really am. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, but I like to try them all. QMS Mehta Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. Okay, this is a brand I've never heard of. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, Lip Line Corrector targets the fine line and wrinkles. The high-performance, lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. This manufacturer suggested retail price, according to what Boxy Charm is telling me, is $200. $200, okay? I looked it up. I looked to make sure that it was the right size I was looking at, and what I found was that this was it was 155 pounds, which is, British money. I converted it as $3.67. So this was a win-win. But really, $200 for this? I can't wait to try this, because, boy, this better do backflips for $200, Lord. But maybe it does. I'll let you know. Next thing, the Ritual of Sakura. Rituals. The Ritual of Sakura Shower Gel. Give your skin the gift of a new beginning with a foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura, featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. It uses a unique technology to transform the gel into a silky, soft, cleansing foam Lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap, taking a minute to slow down and renew your energy. $9.50. Okay. That's another new one on me. Next up is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. I like setting mists. I'm not sure if they really do anything for me as far as making my skin, my makeup last longer, but I like them. They feel good. In Beauty, this energizing face mist is the pickup you need to get you through the day and night. Special bi-phase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Formulated with our Even Out complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. Naturally colored and scented with energizing aroma from plants. $32. $32. That's a big claim. Let me read that again. I don't know if you heard what I said, but it claims that formulated with our Even Out complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. All in this bottle for $32. If this does what it claims for $32, it's worth every penny. That's all I'm going to say about that one. All right, next, Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acid rich soy proteins, common cucumber extract, and balancing rose water. Sensitive skin, it also soothes and tones for $38. All right. Let me tell you what I think about this. I haven't even opened the box. I don't even know what this product is about. But according to the description, this is for all skin types. Right there, I get suspicious. For all skin types. I've used cleansers that said for all skin types, but were really more like for a oily complexion because my skin was very stripped feeling and dried out. I've tried ones that were oil based that were more for dry skin. So I don't know how they can claim that this is for all skin types because all different skin types have different needs. So I don't know. I'm not buying that. This might be a good cleanser. We'll find out, but for all skin types, I don't think so. And the last thing in the Boxy Charm Luxe box is Story Tales by Storybook Cosmetics. Inspired by the classic tale, the Storybook palette was created exclusively for Boxy Charms, and it is as beautiful on the inside as it is on the outside. But let me open it up and see. Oh. It is pretty. Look at those colors. Wow, I like those. Okay, so let me finish reading here for you. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create your happily ever after look. Yeah, I like this. This is pretty. And I like the mirror. Life itself is the most wonderful fairy tale, it says here. The manufacturer's suggested retail price says $55. I went online and looked this up at, I think it was Ulta. It said $25. I went to their website, Storybook Cosmetics, and it was $25. So the manufacturer's suggested retail price is kind of misleading. Maybe that might be what they're saying it's worth, but that's not necessarily what they charge. I don't know. But $25 for this, it might be a good deal. They're very pretty, very wearable colors. So the whole box, $54. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. I'm going to say thumbs up because a couple of those products in there really intrigued me. So you may be hearing back from me on that. So next up, this is the Ipsy Glam bag. Not the big one, the small one. Sparkle on, shine on, ring in the new. And the first thing we get out of here is Nail Medic Lemongrass and Biotin Infused Nail Polish. Might be a new brand. I've never heard of this. Let's see what the color is. Is it a color or is it a clear? It's a color. Okay. All right. Now, when it comes to the Ipsy, they don't tell you what the price or, MSRP or actual price really is. So, I don't know is the answer. Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. This is probably a mini. I would say this is a mini. This looks like a full size to me. This I would say is a mini. Okay. Next up, Focal Point Glow Lighter by Colored Rain. Never heard of Colored Rain before. This looks like a color that is probably workable for most women. Oh, it's gold. I thought it was more of a lighter color. And this is what it looks like on the finger. You know, it looks like a gold shadow. They're calling it a glow lighter. I'm not so sure I would put gold right over here on my face. I might try it, but I don't know. I'm a little skeptical about that. Next thing is Space Case Cosmetics. Oh no, I never heard of it. I'm sure this is a shadow. Yes. Is this a shadow? It's a blush. All right, let's open it up. All right, pretty. Neutral color. Very neutral. It's almost like no color at all. All right. Space Case. I like that name. Okay, and the last product in this box is Thrive Cosmetics. I've used this before. I love it. This is a mini. This obviously is not a full size, but this is perfect for your purse. The size is perfect for your purse. I like the, let me see if I can get over. I like the brush. I don't know if you can see the brush. It's not a lot of bristles. It's plastic, little kind of plastic bristles, I would say, but it's not really thick and brushy. And this is nice because it gets into places where it's hard to get into with a really big bushy brush. So, and the formula is good. Formula is great, really. So this is something I will take to work and keep in my desk. You know, usually I do a couple coats at home. I get to work, and when it dries, most mascaras dry, they shrink. So then you need another coat after it's dry. So this I am happy to receive. So for $12.90, I guess I got my money's worth. I got the nail polish. I got the facial oil. I got the blush. No, highlighter. I'm sorry. The highlighter and the blush. So I guess I got my money's worth, but you know, to be honest, there isn't anything really in here that thrills me. But maybe if I try it, I might be wrong. But anyway, that's the December unboxing with Ipsy Glam and Boxy Charm Luxe, okay, for December 2019. Thanks for watching. Click on the subscribe button below. Share this if you think somebody else you know would like it. And of course, be loved. Merry Christmas, everyone. Bye-bye.